this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for ScrapLiftSunday, where Laura and I are going to scrap lift one of a layout that we have found, whether it's on Instagram, YouTube, wherever it's at, and we give you two different takes. So Laura actually found both of them for this month, and the first one that we are going to do is from Sarah Key. She is Red Oaklands over on Instagram, and this one is for paper issues. I'll link it up below here so that you can see. She has 3 photos. I have 3 photos. I am trying to finish up a small little trip that Kaylin and I went on to. So this one is going to be from March 2023, Flavors of the Month, the Scrap Room, and I am doing 49 in Market. It comes with 3 different sheets. The twill cardstock, which I got 2 various 49 in Market die cut pieces, chipboard word phases, and then a couple of film strips and frames. So is that. There's that. And then I get also with the Scrap Room. By the way, I'm not sponsored at all. I just love getting Flavors of the Month. It works out well for me for things like this, to where I can just quickly grab a kit and it's ready to go for me. And so this is, I am not a 49 in Market type person, but this is like their die cuts. So this is the first time I've ever used 49 in Market. For those ones that are out there, don't hate me. It's just not, I love 49 in Market, but it's not my style per se. But we are going to make this work. So that is what I got in the kit. And so, yeah, let's see what I can do. Okay, so I am going to cut all of these strips of these butterflies. And some of them I'm going to keep, some of them I'm going to throw away because I want them to be separated. Now, the difference between what she did in her layout and what is in my layout is she uses different patterns. And it looks like, to be honest, it looks like it's the branding strips because of the sizing of them. Whereas I'm making mine all a little bit of different sizes and everything. And then putting them along that side. So I will have to say that this is the first time, I think I said it in the voiceover or, you know, like the first portion of this. But this is the first time I've actually used 49 in Market. And it's a little bit different for me because the papers are really thick, but then the embellishments that come with the 49 in Market, and it could be, I'm going to be honest, like I said, this is the first time, so it could honestly be just what I got from the Scrap Room, but then the embellishments of on the one paper pack or whatever, I don't know how they come, but that section that I got, they're very thin. So I'm not sure, like they're very dainty feeling, and maybe that's how 49 in Market is. I just have never worked with them before or have gotten their collections. It's not something that I gravitate to. I do like that this is very muted and very, I love the pinks and the purples, and I do love the fact that my pictures are going to stand out, and that purple is really good. So I wanted to show you that I did cut them apart and I was doing the banner strips. Now I'm going in and I did do all the distressing and I'm placing all of these in different spots, but yet still looking like the benefit that these are the butterflies that I cut, even though I took out some of the pieces and I've got them separated with the black paint, you know, the paint splatters that I have underneath. I feel that this works out really well for me because I really wanted the photos to stand out more than the background piece, where for her layout, I can tell that she wanted both to stand out because the color tones match like to the T, especially for the photos that she used and all of that. So now I'm going to go in with all of the papers and I'm going to black mark these out to make them stand just a little bit more out. It pops them off that page just a little bit more. You will see in the still shots, excuse me, I'm still fighting allergies. My voice is better, but I'm still fighting allergies. you will find that in the still shots, when I took closer pictures, you will see that that does stand out. Because if I didn't do that, it was like they were getting lost. So I am going to take these film strips and I'm going to place them off to the side, and you'll see how I incorporate them a little bit more into the layout. And I'm sorry for the glare off of these. There was no other way. I even toned down that frame or the light on that other side so it wasn't too bright. In a sense, I was trying to like tone it down so that you didn't have to see such a bright color, standing out. So, but yeah, so I'm taking 2 of the photos. I am going to back in pink, which was one of the layouts that, or one of the papers that came in there, like a embellishment. And then the other one I am doing like this white color, and I'm going to stick it up. So I'm going to place these in different spots just to kind of like make it more of a pizzazz. And then I'm placing that one straight. So you'll see that I pull out Always You, and then I saw these 4 pieces. So at first I was going to put them Always You and then put them together like that. Then I was like, Always, I was like, oh, these will be perfect. So in the still shots, you'll see what they're being said. So then I pull in these blue tones to kind of pull in these. And this is where I said they're so dainty. The paper's so thick, but then their embellishments are so dainty. But I do, like I said, I do enjoy using 49 in Market. It is very different for me. And so I've just got to get kind of used to like how their embellishments and things come along. But I do have to say I do enjoy this collection, even though it is definitely something that I would not have thought to get at all. So that's cool. So make sure that you go check out Laura over on her channel. She has already posted hers. We're running a little bit behind, and I'm definitely running behind because of my dog situation and all of that jazz. But I'm getting caught up. I'm almost there. I got to get 1 or 2 more layouts done, and then I will be caught up in a sense of, just in a sense that I'm getting everything done and ready to go. Now, I was going to use this one, and it just doesn't jive right. And I think, honestly, because I used the bluer tones, those darker greens just don't work. So what I did is that I found that they had this heart and this butterfly, and that's what I put there. Make sure that you go check out, everybody. I want, if you are new to my channel, welcome. I would love to have you. I do have the still shots coming up. I do want you to hit that like and subscribe button because it is free. I hope you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.